Marriage is more than just a legal bond. It is a promise to love, a promise to support, and a promise to stand by one another through all of life's seasons. Today isn't just the start of Daxx and Caitlin's marriage. It's the celebration of something bigger.
For those who know Caitlin, she's a wonderful woman. I mean, she's very loyal. She's honest. She's going to pour her heart out for you. She's going to make you a real great wife. She had a good role model in her mother, Marilyn. Today, you are formally a part of my family. Now it's time for you, Celine, and Caitlin to start a family of your own. And as your family grows, my family grows.
Where chaos breathes life. Have you felt the static? See the warning signs flashing all around you. Where chaos breathes life. It's a bad world.
My daughter, Caitlin, is just completely in love with him, and he's her Prince Charming, as I would like to say. And I would like to thank you, Daxx, because after today, I get a raise.
Chaos breathes life. It's a mad world. It's a mad world. Nowhere to hide in this mad world.
By the authority vested in me, I now, for the first time, pronounce you as husband and wife. Daxx, you may now kiss your bride.